Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop. Trap me so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
What up guys, it's your boy Tips, back again here with another video.
And I bought a mic for no more shitty videos.
Have you ever woken up in the morning and seen this? You're probably like, shit, something's wrong with my transmission. Well, you're wrong, it's actually your throttle body. Let me show you how to fix this. You don't need to go to the dealership to fix this. You can do this right from home. Okay, the first thing you need to do is turn the car on without pressing the brake pedal. After that, you hold your foot down on the gas all the way down for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you let your foot off, all right? Turn the car off. Open up the door. Close it. Wait 2 minutes. Turn the car back on. Fully on this time with your foot on pedal, and that's it. You just saved yourself thousands of dollars, or at least a couple $100 for going and check it at the dealership. So the reason this happens is because of your driving style. The car becomes accustomed to how you drive, and when you drive differently in a certain way, the car will kind of react and think that something's wrong. So basically, or it thinks that someone is driving a car that's not supposed to. So it goes into a little default, right? So basically, if you want this to stop happening, like, just stay within your kind of driving. And even if you're not having transmission problems, you should do this once in a while. This will help your BMW run a little bit smoother. And if you live in the part of the world that has multiple seasons, you should consider doing this every time a season passes. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you later, yo.
Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop. Trap me so stanky, you can smell it through the package.